Hey, this is Nicole of Fabrication Studio. I want to show you how to attach your ball chain to your pull part for a Coulisse motorized shade. And what's great about the Coulisse motorized shade is not only does it operate with a remote, but it also operates with this pull chain, but you have to connect your chain to it. And so you get this little connector, this little plastic piece, and there's an opening on one side and it has a round area which the ball part of your chain snaps into. And then the other end connects to your pull chain. So there's an opening in the middle. It goes all the way through. And that's where you want to put this loop through. Sometimes it's a little difficult to get in there. Sometimes it pops right through. Sometimes it doesn't. But it basically goes straight through. I think I'm going to have to grab it with the tweezers. Or push it through with the tweezers. Sometimes it just drops right through that hole. Today is not one of those days. Fortunately, the tweezers fit through it. Okay, so I'm pushing the tweezers through with the loop. There's a opening here where this plastic barrel ends up sitting, the cord ends up sitting in this opening. But what you do is you wrap this loop around the bottom side where your ball opening is. And it falls right into a little channel that's on the top of the plastic. So it sits like that. And then you snap in the ball like that. Then it's ready to go.